Hi, it's Danny, part of our hamstring series. Let's bring some more tone and balance of the standing leg. I invite you to join in, so feel free to come along here. You can hold on, you don't need to, but balance is not the primary focus today. It's more about nice length for the back of this leg. And it happens to be a toning length. Now, if you keep there and return only partially, you get a bit more challenge. Feel free to bend your knee just slightly if you need to. Ideally, it's quite straight. Let's do one or two more. Lengthening, toning, engaging hamstrings, glutes, back of this leg, even into the lower back, keeping nice posture. You might like to pause. We could bring in a moment's balance challenge, where the hand comes away from the chair or the desk there. There'll be a more advanced finish before we switch over. Doesn't really matter which hand you use, so let's change over. Quite straight at that standing leg. These muscles easily get short in our day, especially if you sit a lot. So we're regaining that length, activating the muscles, stretching as a form of toning. So you are lengthening and strengthening the back of this leg. Yes, you could take the hand away and challenge your balance at the same time, but if that makes it really wobbly and shaky, hold on for now. The emphasis is on a little tone and awareness and nice length for our posture above, and not so much about a balance challenge. Perhaps we'll finish off this last one. Rise up, take a little shake out through that ankle, and to the other side. There you go, little mini snack stretch to do. Lengthen, tone, activate the back of the legs. That helps to bring nice length and space and tone to the back of your body as you go about your day. Thanks for joining in today.